Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just at the train station in Copenhagen. Flew from Amsterdam. To get to Amsterdam, came from Leeds, obviously my hometown. Been travelling since 3 o'clock today, 3 o'clock this morning. I thought I'd just pop this up and add this into this video about travelling, because if you get it right, it's brilliant. So the train station in Copenhagen, as soon as you come out from Baggage Reclaim, you come out into arrivals and then the train station is right ahead of you. Let's get to Kalmar and then I'll check in with you again. That road where I've just come off is where the Best Western Hotel is, and now I'm just walking what looks like to be the finishing line. Yep, that's your finisher chute right here. I've just asked someone where the registration is. Someone very good at reading maps. Registration opens at 10 o'clock. Expect a queue because it's all changed now with IRONMAN. You used to get your bib number via email. Now you get your race number at registration. Looks like, yeah, it is straight ahead of me. I can see the inflatable entrance. It's this way. Registration, yeah. Just speaking to Robin, my Swedish friend from north of Sweden. Got here nice and early, and we're gonna get registered. It's his first one, and just told him don't concentrate on time, just concentrate on completion. Watch him blast past me. Right, we're going in. Hi there, mate. All right. Race license at the ready. Looking about 5 years younger there, and I'm actually about 5 years, probably 10 years younger there. Just filming.
Yeah, it's fun.
Passport.
Yeah.
Do you want to get to the page? Sorry, I'm not going to plan.
I understand.
Robin's getting his stuff.
Yeah, I just need to print everything.
Sure.
So here's your bag.
Thank you. Look, just put it there.
Your swimming cap. Bib.
Thank you.
And your sticker.
Right, we're out of it. Thank you. Good luck as well to you as well. And this is really light. I might get this one. Representing Kalmar. It was this. I was going to get all this one here. Might get them both. Yep, the hat's getting bought. Fits perfectly. Sherry, baby. How are you, Sherry? Oh.
Come, let's go over there.
Marv, I'll go up to him. I'll go up to him. Got it.
I knew it. How are you, bro?
How's it going? Sorry. How are you? Okay, sorry. Come on, I'll talk to you then. Yeah. This one tribe, I've adopted a new tri club, it looks like. And he's bought me a large, France have bought me a large.
There you go.
There you
This is going
go.
on. Oh, get out the beer belly.
Okay, oh my
Your
god.
six pack.
See?
Show your six pack.
Show your 8-pack.
It's okay, you're in Europe, so
See,
they don't mind it.
you guys we call this a bum bag.
Oh.
In the UK, but you guys call it a
Fanny
fanny
pack.
pack. Fanny pack. Bit crude for us in the UK, fanny. Nice and light. I like it. I
Yep.
like it.
It's a light. You're mad.
Oh,
Oh, see?
nice, perfect size, perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect fit, man. Man, I wish that's my
Part one
I
tribe
wish my
now.
bodies looked like
One
that
tribe.
too. So now I'm flexing it.
Sorry, say that again?
Could we interview one of you?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah,
Marvin.
please.
Marvin,
You're gonna interview us? Sure, yeah. You wanna? Okay.
from California, but I'm Filipino.
Why are you in Kalmar for the Ironman?
They said this is the best Ironman. Please. Voted as #1 Ironman event, by the athletes. Well,
Marvin's doing a little bit for Swedish TV. Go on to Filipino. Not the Englishman who only speaks one language.
UK. actually he's trying to do a sub 10, and I told him trying a sub 11 p.m. for me. Because the overall time is 16 hours, you know. So I have to finish before 11.
And what's your picture of Kalmar so far?
I love it here.
I need to go get some water now, so I'm going to say goodbye to Marvin and then going to hook back up with him later on for something to eat. Heading back to the hotel now, get a bike, give it a quick little 10-minute ride, maybe a bit longer than 10 minutes. Oh, there's some Morton stuff. I might buy some of this is good stuff, you know. Yeah, just setting out on the bike. This is the transition, just over there. And that's your swim exit. It's good to know this, so if I do a good swim I'm going to really grit my teeth and try and do a sub 5-hour bike, and then it's really on for the sub 10. Jonas was telling me this is the run route, so there is a slight climb up there. Is there more little lumps like this on the route? Is there other lumps?
No, not very much.
Is this the only real sort of like?
Yeah.
So that's a relief. Yeah. And then there's the wood area.
But you will experience like a big mountain.
Don't say that. I'm from Yorkshire anyway, so
okay.
I'm from the north of England.
Yeah.
I don't know if you heard of Leeds. Have you heard of Leeds?
Yeah.
Leeds United.
Football team.
Football team. Yeah. So Leeds, we're all about Leeds. So
yeah.
Yeah. But good luck on the
good
day.
luck.
But no, thank you very much.
So what's your racing number?
1013.
1013. Yeah.
And yourself?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're just spectating?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
1013. That's what I am. Okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant, Jonas.
Yeah. Good luck, mate.
Thank you, mate. Thank you. Good talking to you. See you later.
See you.
So I veered off the bike route onto this section because I wasn't sure if I could ride on the main road, because as you come out there's a bike path at the side of the road and that's on the bike route, and I came off and I look like I'm on Ramsey Street right now. But yeah, the run routes around here, it's good to see it actually, so I know where I am. Right, let's get back on this bike course because I'm sweating. What I wanted to do was a quick recce. The Kalmar bike route, the Kalmar side of the bike route before it gets to the bridge, because the bridge you're not allowed to cycle over, but I was attempting to do this side. Problem is that when you come out, this is a pretty busy road. Cars are going quite fast on it, so it takes you onto the run track. But if you want to try and do the Kalmar side of the bike route, you got to contend with pretty fast cars driving past. So I've not seen one bike so far on this main road, and with it being closed off on the day, the last thing you probably want is a lot of bikes on it. So it's up to you. I spoke to a person and said no, you'll be fine, you're allowed to ride on this road. But yeah, I don't have to chance it. That says that I might get a few close passes. I've got to try and work my way back, so I might just go up and down this side of the path. It doesn't matter if I'm out now for 2 hours, it's not going to make me any faster on the day. So anyway, right, let's get back to the hotel. Now this is the swim exit. I've showed this before and it looks fantastic. You got the ropes, the yellow and red ropes there to guide us in. So what we're going stupidly wide coming out from over there, hopefully. And you got that bridge in the distance, you can see there, we come underneath that. So we'll just stay as close to the bank as possible, I think, so we can slipstream in. Hopefully we'll get a fast swim, but it's boiling today. I'm really pleased about this transition though, because that's your swim, exit, cross the road, straight into transition. Happy days. Right, let's get back to the hotel, get a stretch on. Hopefully I don't pull a muscle climbing up here, pretty steep. But I just want somewhere flat, so I can just lay my yoga mat down and just do a little bit of yoga. Oh, here we are. Look at that. Now this is ideal. So this is me then, do the yoga here, and this is perfect. Well, 6 o'clock is the race briefing, so I've got a bit of time. Just stay hydrated. Giving the back a nice little stretch. The final one before I head back to the hotel room for a shower and get to the race briefing, and then I'm Meet Marv's. Francis and his partner. Marv's his wife. Sherry, baby. Perfected getting this bike sticker on the seat post. Have a look how smooth that is. Talk about aerodynamics. That'll save me what? Probably about 0.005 watts, but hey, marginal gains. Right, this is it. I'm in transition now. Everything's packed up, ready to go. Gonna get my bags, stick them over to bike transition. So we're gonna come out of the swim into transition to the bike, and then get the bike down. You've got to have a reference point. So my reference point is that Kalmar flag between the two Swedish flags. And then on this side, we've got a sign there which says that don't put covers over your bikes. So I know when I run in, I can run down here with my bike and then run out. So let's get this. By the way, it has just poured it down for literally about 2 minutes. You can see the ground's wet, but it's about 27, 28 degrees right now, so it's boiling. Hopefully the temperature drops a little bit for tomorrow. So it's like this. If it rains, it's brilliant because it just cools you down instantly. But yeah, it's quite hot right now, which actually I don't mind. This is why I do these overseas Ironmans, because I love the heat. I love training and working out in the heat. Right, let's get, and by the way, you've got to come into transition with a helmet on and with your race number on, which I've got back here. Right, let's get these bags in. So I've been procrastinating with the bike, and Johan's come over, one of the officials here, and he's also done Ironman Sweden himself.
6 times.
6 times, right. And he's just been he just passed me a strap and putting on this large bike here and take it off in the morning. Explain it'll be easy just to get it off the rack without any trouble. Any words of advice, Johan, for all the athletes?
Swim easy, bike smart, and have a fun run.
It is warm here, and with the heat it's going to expand. So the sun's coming out now, blue sky over there. It could get to 29 degrees Celsius, and if it does, then the tyres are just going to expand. So by deflating them, tomorrow I'll be bringing my pump and I'll be pumping them back up again. So yeah, anything can happen out there, but prevention is better than the cure. Okay, right, let's get over to transition, put my bags in. It's really on for a fast transition. So I'll be coming in from the swim right over there and running straight up on this outside right to the very end, and I always need a pee at the end of a swim for some reason, and the urinal's right there. So right here is where I'm going to be. It should hopefully be a 5-minute maybe transition. It'll be good because I'll put myself down for 12 minutes in total, but if I can do a 5-minute and a 3-minute, that'll save me 5 minutes. So let's see if we can get this sub 10. Oh, it's feeling better already. It's all about the visualization now, because this is the swim start. It's about 4 o'clock. The hotel's just behind me. I thought to myself, rather than being cooped up in a hotel, take the weight off my feet, I'm just sitting on a box and I'm focusing on the job in hand tomorrow. I'm getting so many positive vibes from this. I don't want to jinx myself, but it's, you know, this place is amazing. No wonder it's ranked #1. The weather does help. When it's like this, everyone's smiling, loving it. Water temperature's perfect because it's not too hot, it's not too cold. You jump in, you feel fresh. To the extent that, you know, within a couple of minutes you'll be quite warm, probably very warm, because it's 20 degrees. But on a day like this, where you're moving, it's gonna be just the right temperature, quite soon on. People are extremely friendly. I've spoken to so many people here in Kalmar from all over the world, but the locals are fantastic, they're brilliant. Leeds, you need to learn from this. Come to Kalmar, see what it does for the city. You need to come here just so you can see what Ironman can do to a place. Ironman Sweden, Kalmar, I'm here, sun's shining. I've got basmati rice here, bought from the co-op. We're gonna get that down me tomorrow morning. Everything seems right. Fingers crossed. Don't want to jinx myself. Fingers crossed. Everything goes right on the day in terms of no technicals on the bike and no accidents anywhere, and the stomach as well. Everything goes right. Heading back to the hotel in the next hour and relaxing until night time, basically. Sleep and to IRONMAN Kalmar 2025. Let's do this. I woke up at 3:15, had a bit of rice in my room, went down to breakfast, which was at 4 o'clock, just for a slice of bread, and I made a little sandwich, a little cheese and jam sandwich, just to nibble on. And now I'm heading up to transition really early. It doesn't open until 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna head up to transition now and put on the tyres just so I'm not stressing. And because my hotel room is right next to the swim start, rather than putting on my wetsuit all the way up there, I'm gonna come back down to the hotel and put the wetsuit on here. Let's get up to transition. It opens at 5 o'clock. I shall get there 10 minutes before it opens. Might be a bit of a queue as well. Finally ready. I got back to the hotel, went to transition, sorted out the bike, put the nutrition in the bike, pumped the tyres up. I'm going to stop gassing. It's 6:20 right now. The start is at 7, so I'm just going to get to that start line and do some light stretches. But the wetsuit's on and I'm ready to go. Let's do this. I'll see you at the back end of it. Hopefully we have a good day in the office. See you soon. This is how we do it. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. As you've just seen just there, just over 10 hours. A little bit disappointed, didn't do it in the sub 10 hours I wanted to do. But with 15 kilometers left on the run, nightmare struck. Now I've done over 10 of these Ironmans and I've never had the problem that I had in this Ironman. Stomach went and disaster struck and went everywhere. When I say everywhere, remained within the bib shorts. I'm very grateful that the photographer or the person who was editing the photographs managed to whiten the shorts, because when I crossed that finish line, I can assure you those shorts weren't white. I've never experienced this before, and it happened in such an extreme circumstance. Well, it wasn't just a little bit, it was literally, it felt like over a litre had come out of me during the race. So I was on for the sub 10, but I didn't quite achieve that. So that's it guys, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget, subscribe, hit the subscription button in the description box below. There'll be more videos like this, me training, me racing. But yeah, if you just follow me, follow this journey, follow what I'm doing, and hopefully I can inspire you. If I can just inspire one person, that's a positive. And on that one, I'm out of here. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye. One last look at the medal. I did it.